Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tips. Today we will be discussing how you can easily clear your Safari search history on your iPhone. First, let's open up the Safari web browser on your iPhone. Then, tap on the tabs icon, which you'll find in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, go through and close any Safari tabs that you absolutely don't need anymore, keeping only the important ones open. Once you've cleared out those extra tabs, tap on Done. Great. Now we can close out of the Safari web browser completely. Okay, now we're ready to clear that search history. Go ahead and open the Settings application on your iPhone. Scroll down until you find Safari, and tap on it. You'll need to scroll down quite a bit further now. Keep going until you see Clear History and Web Data. Tap on that. You'll see some options here. First, you can choose a time frame to clear. You can clear your history from the last hour, today and yesterday, or all history. Choose the option that suits your needs. You'll also see the option to close all tabs. We already manually closed the tabs we didn't need, but if you just want to clear all of your tabs at once, you can toggle this option on. Once you're ready to clear everything, tap on the red Clear History button. Just a heads up, once you've cleared your history, it's permanent, and you won't be able to get it back. So be sure you're okay with losing that data. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your Safari history on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Roam Tips for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.